Well, how's it guys? Welcome to the CAPEDIRT Winelands Extreme for 2022. Just want to wish the riders the best of luck.
You see it, you jump blind.
Yeah, it's like a little rock.
And there's a rock
on the right. That thing.
So if you land on it, then your pipe's gone, then your grace is done.
Yeah.
Feeling it, but loving it. Come on! Come on, Frankie!
Have to mark your thing now.
Already? It's the rock has it's not me this way. That's when you have the element of doubt. Lucky, it's all doable, but I'm so tired, I'm physically thin.
Okay, so we just finished the first round of riding, the morning ride, where we did a bit of a shortened track, and the guys have come through. Actually, a lot of the guys hit the sections that are supposed to be in the finals track, so that's awesome. The guys are keen, and in about an hour's time we're starting with the final loop. We're doing a similar kind of track, but we have two extra sections, or one main extra section called Grimbo's Gully, with a bunch of checkpoints in, and the goal is for the guys to get to as far as they can into the track before the time runs out. We have 3 hours to do the last race in, and whatever checkpoint you get to, if you finish, awesome, name on the finishers board, and let's see how far the guys can get up the gully, and let's hope that the guys that made the trip out here to the tent behind us enjoy the show.
Thank you, very well done.
A couple of bucks should come through there now.
No, not now. Oh, that's for the next session.
And then I've tried it on.
I'd like 3 tea parties coming down this last year, right?
Actually, like where the bike's parked. I haven't thought about how I'm going to get it there.
Go man, listen, Graham, James, we run the Warzone events, and what we wanted to do is just say thanks very much to Richard from CAPEDIRT and to Kyle Flanagan and Bronson Lowe for putting on an absolutely amazing event. Epic terrain.
Unbelievable. It's been such a good ride, huh? It just flowed into each other so nicely. The tech is wild.
Yeah. And you know, this is what it's all about. This is what makes and lifts riders' potential. The Western Cape has always potentially been one of those places that has been a little bit left behind. Natal and Gauteng have way more terrain to offer, and we found this little gem here at CAPEDIRT. I hope a lot of the guys come through here and train later on in the year and up their game. But yeah, from Warzone, Graham and James,
Well done, guys.
well done.
Fantastic.
Legend.